Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the markets. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So also remember, this content is not official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, guys. Moving on to the content for today, guys, let's actually take a look here. What do we have here? We have the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index currently at, let's refresh, it says 46. It says 46, and after the refresher we have 46. It's still neutral, really close to entering the fear, bearishness and things of that nature. So not looking good, things for altcoins, but we'll actually take a look at the charts just to have a better idea. But it's always nice to have this indicator, visual indicator of the current market sentiment. So moving on to Ethereum's current price, guys, we do see that right now crypto's on the edge. I mean, it really is. You have this massive ascending channel, sorry for that, to a certain extent, right? You have the key resistance of $1,786, but really we're far away from that. Ethereum has been showing weakness. Why, Jay? Well, simply, we came in and now we're below this blue trend line. Where does this trend line go? Back to where? All right, let's zoom out. If you see here, this blue trend line has been pivotal for all year since the market top for Ethereum at around almost 5K, guys. So that's more than a year, just that downtrend, that powerful downtrend. And now if we zoom back in, we see that we peaked our heads briefly, as we can see here, but it wasn't really much to last, guys. We've been playing around with the trend line a little bit, but it's been just multiple fake outs. One here, as you can see right here, fake out right here, and then you have another fake out right here. And now it's time for Ethereum. We're gonna have another fake out, or we're gonna actually continue on up, or is this downward pressure is gonna continue, and we're gonna not just continue below the blue downtrending line here, but also breaking now, as you can see, this ascending channel formation with the current candle today, guys. So today, again, right on the edge, really a pivotal day today with today's candle. Again, tomorrow we're gonna have a confirmation candle. That's gonna really be it, so stay tuned for Ethereum's price. That's why we do daily shorts, guys. If you want to check those out, you come over here to the channel, click shorts, and we have daily shorts about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. We plan on adding more altcoins in the future. So again, we do daily TA, under a minute, short form content, just so you guys can get your crypto fix, guys. So again, for Ethereum, showing weakness right now below the blue trend line, breaking the ascending channel. Again, I mean, it hasn't closed yet, right? So it has that going for it, you know what I mean? But it's not looking nice right now. We're below it. If next candle confirm as resistance, then being below the blue trend line here and then breaking this ascending channel, then we expect further continuation towards the downside, towards that $1,462 resistance as that first stop, and then 1,352 as that next stop in the next couple of weeks, possibly. So guys, what matters is not knowing exactly 100% is gonna go up, is gonna go down. That's irrelevant. It's more like just having an idea based on key levels. That's what technical analysis is all about, just analyzing the key levels that we have to keep our eye out for. And again, the divergence still hasn't played out. When does it play out, Jay? Well, simply once we break this pivot low. So if you wake up and you see, Ethereum at $1,450 or below, give or take, then that's a strong indication that this, and close with candles below, daily candles, then that's a strong indication of the possibility that after we get the confirmation candle, that we're going down, because then this divergence with the RSI is going to finally be fully playing out with price. So it'll be a great buying opportunity based on those indicators. Right now the stochastic, let's take a look, also way down here at 0 though, but it's under 20. So right now there's a new downtrend right here, as you can see, for the past couple of weeks. So we have to see, we're gonna have to see, wait and see. A lot of weakness. Ethereum at $1,550. Let's see what happens in the next couple of days. Then we have the total 2, which is the market cap of every cryptocurrency except Bitcoin, guys. So we see that we broke this trend line here recently in the last couple of days, considerably actually, guys. So basically we can remove this trend line, guys. I mean, you could technically live editing done cheap, guys, you could draw another one like this to a certain extent. You know what I mean? So let's leave it there. I mean, for now, it would be similar to Ethereum in the sense of, you know, trying to actually see if it's gonna hold. You know what I mean? If it's gonna hold as support right here, some sort of ascending channel, just like Ethereum, guys, sort of. So, you know, we have this green trend line. That's gonna be, you know, the one where the same thing for more than a calendar year has been a downtrend. You know what I mean? And this is a pivotal time. Crypto is right on the edge. Altcoins are at the brink of dumping, you know, and then this trend line would be the next support. And then if you pierce through that trend line, then the true support would be around that $431 billion, guys. Currently at 550 billion, holding right on the edge, a bit strong, but let's see, showing a little bit of weakness though. So let's see which one plays out in the next couple of weeks, guys. And then the DXY is the star of the show, guys. That's why you see weakness in Ethereum and crypto, you know, overall in the altcoins. And we're going to be discussing Bitcoin in our next Bitcoin climate episode coming out soon. Stay tuned. So again, guys, look at this considerably large DXY candle, guys. Look at that, piercing that 105.35 resistance that we were talking again in our previous episodes, guys. We've been talking about DXY bullish consolidation, and now clearly with this candle piercing through the resistance, which shows a lot of strength, you know, in the dollar, in the sense of the DXY, the dollar index, the Dixie, you know. And then if close above the 105.35 and then we have a confirmation candle here, then we expect, you know, a possible move if we have enough, you know, juice and momentum to that 108.31, and that'll be the next pivotal resistance to keep an eye out for the DXY. You know, if we have this cross up on the stochastic and it follows through, oh man, we do see that pump incoming, and usually that means sell pressure for Ethereum, Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies throughout. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget just to click away, subscribe if you haven't done so already, click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content, and also like the video. It helps the algorithm and other people, you know, seeking channels like mine, you know, they can find our great educational channel and also join our community as well, guys. And then we have an educational playlist, guys. You can grab a pen, a pencil, and a piece of paper. We have educational presentations, you know, so many, the metaverse, CBDCs, the Web3, so many quality videos for you guys to get access to for free. Link is in the description down below. So guys, we have Ethereum at 1,550, guys. Let's go ahead, the top 5 altcoins, you know, let's actually hit the watch list here in the world and their performance in the last 7 days, down 3.88%. Number 2, BNB at $287, down 5%. Number 3, XRP the scam at 38 pennies, just up 1%. Number 4, Cardano at 32.7 pennies, down 7.27%. And then number 5, a buck 13, down 6.36%, guys. So that's the top 5 altcoins in the world. Then we move on to the top 5 best performing assets for the past 7 days. We have MakerDAO at $900, a pop of 15%. Number 2, XDC Network at 3 pennies, up 10.76%. Then we have number 3, Cornflakes. That never gets old, man. Cornflakes. You guys already know, 20 cents, up 5.26%. Number 4, EOS, the OG, at $17, just up 1%. Number 5, then we have well, best performing, the scam, man, no need to talk more about that. Number 1 here in the top 5 worst performing assets, you know, in the last week. Start with Stacks. You got to stack away your cash, guys, at 66 cents, you know, down 23.61%. Number 2, Clayton, and that sounds like your best friend Clayton, at 22 cents, down 22.64%. Number 3, Rocket Pool, $36.25, down 21.85%. Number 4, Singularity Net, the AI coin, guys. We're going to be coming out with an educational video about AI, so stay tuned. This is one of the key coins. 40 cents, down 20%. That's not making me look nice right now. And then number 5, Fractshare at $9.27, down 18%. So the markets lately, they're dumping, you know, the altcoins like we mentioned here in the total 2. This retracement, you can obviously see it here with the worst performing assets. You know what I mean? So it's a reflection of what's going on, and cryptocurrency right now is right on the edge. Guys, if you enjoyed this informative content, don't forget, like the video, subscribe. We have a link in the description down below of our website, tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, for your attention, for everything. Really appreciate you guys. Love my community. Hope you guys have a good one.